Now, Extreme Networks ringing the opening bell here at the NASDAQ today as the networking solutions company hosts its annual Investor Day here in New York City. The stock is up 7% this year amid scorching demand for cloud and AI infrastructure, positioning the company to compete with the likes of Cisco and Hewlett-Packard. Joining us here on set for more is Extreme Networks CEO Ed Meyercord. Ed, great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
We don't often talk about Extreme, so can you just sort of give us an overview on where you fit in on this infrastructure build?
Yeah, so we're playing in the enterprise networking space. So when you're thinking about networking for AI and these massive sort of LLM data centers, hyperscale cloud, we're playing on the enterprise. So we're actually taking AI technology and applying it to enterprise customers trying to deliver the networking experience, if that makes sense.
How do you think about the build that is going on right now, the rush to spend billions of dollars by all of these hyperscalers, and the sustainability of it?
That's where all the spending has been.
Yeah.
And we're on the other side. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what we're doing is actually leveraging AI technology, and we're applying it for customers. So basically, we're making it very easy to deliver secure, simple, highly automated and visibility into enterprise networks, which is a little bit different. Our difference is that we're bringing AI to networking, and we're coming out with the very first platform for networking. And so we think size is a differential. It's actually better to be a smaller player than a larger player. And so when we're competing against Cisco and HP Juniper, we've got an advantage. Mm-hmm. And everybody's thinking about AI. You've been talking about it on the show. Everyone's talking about it. And this is where, for us, we think momentum changes, because we think we've got a shift where people pay more attention to AI, and we've got the best solution.
You had a big run-up in the earnings. I think maybe the street took away the run-up. Maybe the margins weren't what the street was looking for, the guidance. But at a level now where I'm sure you're buying back stock, because given that quarter, I mean, this stock should be higher than it is. Oppenheimer, I think, has a $25 price target on it.
Yeah, Tim came out with $25. You know, we had a beat and raise quarter. We were expecting, 5 to 10% upside, and we ended up down 15 and down 20 now. And so we're scratching our heads and looking to you experts to explain what's going on. We suspect that some of it was due to margin pressure, that our supply chain components are getting sucked into these larger AI networks. Somehow, our costs are going to go up and it's going to affect our business. But the reality is it's not an issue for us.
Ed, what exactly is that product? So you have businesses buying your product, and so it's a connectivity thing from the data centers, and they're using the AI and they're applying it to their
So think about it. So what we're providing are enterprise networks. So actually networks, which is a combination of hardware and software. Stadiums. So we have the NFL stadiums. So think about the Wi-Fi that you're getting from stadiums. Kroger, large customer, world's largest grocer. They run on Extreme. They have a private cloud, and they're managing 2,800 stores on an Extreme network. So we're delivering private networking solutions to enterprise customers, governments. We just won the Japanese government. Huge deal. We beat out Cisco because of the differentiation of our technology. So we're governments, education, manufacturing, healthcare. So think about large enterprises with campuses. We shine on the campus. We have something called a fabric. None of the larger players have a fabric. We've got cloud choice. People are worried about data sovereignty. We bring that. The larger players can't do it. And the big thing is there's an advantage to being our size and bringing out AI and bringing out an AI platform. We do this better than the big guys. And this, we think, was going to be a turning point.